Welcome back, everybody. It is Randy, MyScreenKit.net, of course, Houston, king of SolarScreens.com. Folks, I'm at a beautiful flip house in lovely Lamarck, Texas. This is one of the older homes here in this community. It's been around a long time. These folks put a lot of work and effort, but I did my favorite, this beautiful black 1-inch frame. Oh my gosh. Of course, you know, I'm a Screen Co distributor. This is just flawless. And then the 80% black Twitchell. The idea was we did not want to make it dark, but luckily they're home today, or at least the owner who's finishing up. So he's given me permission to go inside and show you guys what it looks like looking through the 80 out onto your property. So stand by, we're going to look. So here we are, folks. I mean, it's obviously going to echo a little bit. It's a brand new home. I mean, even the hardwood floor was resurfaced. So beautiful. This is your view looking out. This is 80% black, of course, Twitchell. Oh, there goes one of the workers. Actually, that's the owner of the property. Just absolutely flawless. Our view is so perfect. Look at that. It's almost, whoops. I guess my camera made that look a little goofy, but your eyes will not. Guys, when it comes to making America great again, this is the way we do this. Oh my goodness. We just, we buy 100% made in America product. That's it. Oh my goodness. So beautiful.